So we're in the hallway here of Satoumitei Kinparo Hontei. Yeah, it's not easy to say, but that's the name of this 8-room ryokan in Oarai, Ibaraki Prefecture. Yes, indeed, Ibaraki. Most people don't think of Ibaraki as a place to visit, let alone stay. But there are some reasons to visit this part of the country. And so this is an inn that was established in 1888. So it has quite the history. Although I don't know that it's in its, I doubt it was like this in its present form back when it first opened. So it's 8 rooms. This is the highest category room called Sodegaura. And this is a suite with 85 square meters of living space. So it has a Japanese tatami room that I just showed you a second ago, a dining room. And as you can see from Japan, given that they make TVs, it's kind of surprising that a lot of TVs are really tiny. I guess they just don't update them here. But that's kind of what it is. So we'll have another look here at the washitsu, or the tatami, Japanese style tatami room. So, and then this is the dining room. Over here, you have tea and cups. And then over here, you have a complimentary mini bar, just with tea, beer, smoothie, and water. We have a Bluetooth sound system. We just checked in, so you can see they have some treats, spicy cheese, and Le Blanc Voyage Ibaraki cake. Whatever that is, we'll try it in a bit. So Ibaraki is known, this part of Ibaraki, Oarai, is next to a region in the prefecture called Hitachi. Same pronunciation, same kanji characters as the electronics and technology firm, where one of the most famous areas, fields called Hitachi Seaside Park, where there's nemophilia in beautiful blue flowers that bloom in April. And then in the fall, they have these kochia, I guess that's the word, these red fireweeds that really become bright red in the fall. So a lot of people enjoy visiting Hitachi Seaside Park. And then also there is a Kairakuen, which is considered one of the 3 great, I don't know how to turn this up, let me see. There we go. One of the 3 great gardens of Japan, along with Kendokuen and Korakuen. A beautiful Japanese-style garden, which was created by the feudal lord Tokugawa Nariaki at the time. And so those are kind of the 2 of the most prominent places to visit. It's already open. So accessible. And so this is one of the strongholds of the Tokugawa shogunate. Obviously Edo, current modern day Tokyo, was the place, but he had relatives who were his vassals, along with non-relatives. And Mito was one of the places that the Tokugawas considered as one of the main feudal areas in Japan, administrative. and military. And so in our trip here, we're going to go to Kairakuen, the park. And then we're also going to go to Hitachi Seaside Park. And then finally, we're going to finish with Ashikaga Flower Park, where it's probably the most famous place in Japan to see wisteria. So anyways, so if you're going to do all that, then you probably want to stay for at least one night. You can see here, there's a famous shrine inland, but you can see the torii, the gate, which is well known along the Pacific Ocean. In very rough seas. So this is 85 square meters, Sodegaura, in Satoumitei Kinparo Hontei. It's probably the most high-end accommodation, at least ryokan-wise, in Ibaraki Prefecture. I don't know if that's saying much, but it appears to be a comfortable place to pass the time. They do serve, you can get dinner and breakfast here as well. And yeah, this is 85 square meters of comfortable space. We look forward to our stay, and hopefully it's worth our time. But Ibaraki itself, given where we're going to visit, the accommodation is not the top priority. So seems like it should do the job. Have I missed anything? I don't know that I have. So established in 1888, 8 rooms. This is the top room, Sodegaura, 85 square meters. Oh, not onsen. There is no onsen here. There are some onsen areas in Ibaraki Prefecture, but this place neither has its own source nor do they bring it in from some other source. So if that's a priority for you, this is not going to work for you. Anyways, Satoumitei Kinparo Hontei in Oarai, Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan. Hope you enjoyed.